Hey guys, this is a demo of my new app called Earthquake Monitor that you can use to get earthquake alerts from the U.S. Geological Survey whenever they come out, almost instantaneously, upon their posting, which is for U.S. earthquakes, it's about 5 minutes, and worldwide earthquakes, it's about 30 minutes. You'll get an alert, a push notification to your device. This works great with the Apple Watch by default as well. This works on iOS 8.0 and above with the iPad, the iPod Touch, the iPhone, any iPhone above a 4S will work. And so it's real simple. This is the home screen when you first launch it. This is where you configure your settings for the alerts. Okay, so this is your magnitude control. You can set it to 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, and this will alert worldwide earthquakes with greater than that magnitude. Now, you might not want all of those earthquake notifications because for 1s and 2s and 3s, they're quite frequent actually. So you can use location filtering. So if you flip on that option, so it picks up that I'm in San Diego, and then you can set a distance, and 500 miles is usually for a really, really, really big earthquake. That's about as big as you're going to see. And so this is, you might have kilometers depending on what country you're in. So it'll automatically detect that for you, and so you can now set some location filtering so your alerts, it won't bombard you with alerts essentially. It'll only tell you when there's relevant information for you. So, and then there's one more thing, and if you're in that location filtering and you want to know, maybe there's a tsunami someplace else just because that's going to be all over the news, and you want any kind of earthquake that might produce a tsunami, then you can turn that toggle on right there, and it takes a second because I have a bad network connection right now, but there it goes, and we have a tsunami alerts as well. Okay, so now if we go into the list, this is a list with a nice toggle on the top that I have. Okay. So you can basically set this to 1.0, and this is in your local time zone. So it tells you the most recent earthquake that occurred, and you can, and it's just listing it down for you. Now my time on my device at the top is different. That's because when I'm taking this screenshot through Yosemite, it automatically enforces 9:41 a.m. for uniformity. It's actually 8:38 right now. So this is actually really accurate data in the Pacific Coast time zone. So it tells you your time, your magnitude, your depth, okay? It tells you a string that's about the earthquake, and you can just filter this. So let's say I want to see worldwide, and this is in the last 24 hours. Let's go to magnitude 5 and above. Okay, so if I just let go, now you can see, there was some in New Zealand, Papua New Guinea. You click one, and you get a nice map of wherever that was. Okay, so now let's say distance-wise, you want to see the closest 5 to you happened 9:17 p.m. yesterday, 5,108 miles away. So that was quite far away. But if we lower our criteria down to, let's say, a magnitude 2, the closest magnitude 2 was 102 miles away from me. The closest magnitude 1 was 46 miles away. So this here, you can easily sort that, and you can test out where that is in relation to you. Okay, and you can see that earthquake, and you can just get the details right there. And it will send you alerts, and so those alerts look pretty good. There's an example alerts right there. Those just come in. It works good on the Apple Watch. I don't have a screenshot for you, but you have to take my word for it that it works well with that. So this app is free. It's worldwide, and I just want to thank you for checking it out. Thanks.